Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Castanets wooden flamenco hand percussion instrument available right now, the Fiada 8 pieces Spanish Castanets set. Whether you're a passionate performer or a curious beginner, this might just be the perfect addition to your musical toolkit. Let's start with what you get in the box. This set includes 8 wooden castanets, divided into 4 color pairs. Each pair is strung together with durable cord, giving you an authentic, traditional Spanish musical experience right out of the box. The design is inspired by classical flamenco aesthetics, and it's crafted to bring rhythm and energy to any performance or practice session. Made from solid wood, the Fiada castanets immediately give off a sense of craftsmanship. The material isn't just about looks, it also plays a major role in sound quality. Each strike produces a sharp, bright clack that resonates well, which is crucial for flamenco music and other rhythm-driven genres. The surface is smooth to the touch and shaped to fit comfortably in your hands, which matters when you're aiming for long practice sessions or high-energy stage performances. Speaking of comfort, these castanets are compact, measuring approximately 3.46 by 2.56 inches. That makes them just the right size to fit most hands, and their lightweight build means you won't get fatigued easily. They're designed to be portable, too. Toss them in your bag, and you're ready to bring a touch of Spain with you anywhere. Now, let's talk performance. Whether you're rehearsing flamenco routines, adding flair to a live performance, or just jamming at a family gathering, these castanets shine. They're sensitive enough for subtle rhythm work, but bold enough to hold their own in louder settings. That versatility makes them ideal for students, casual musicians, and even seasoned performers. Another big plus is their visual appeal. The multicolored finish not only looks festive, but it also helps distinguish between pairs, great for teaching environments or ensemble performances. Each pair is easy to tell apart, which can save you time when setting up or teaching a group. And it doesn't stop there. These aren't just musical instruments, they're also beautiful cultural souvenirs. They offer a nod to Spanish heritage, making them perfect gifts for music lovers, dancers, or anyone who appreciates world instruments. Whether you're giving them as a present or using them to decorate a studio or classroom, they bring a sense of authenticity and charm. Now for a quick reality check. While these castanets are great for beginners and intermediate users, professionals who prefer highly tuned plastic or fiberglass models might want something a bit more specialized. But for the majority of players, especially those looking to explore traditional wood instruments, Fiada delivers excellent value. If you're looking for quality, cultural flair, and a responsive instrument that adds instant rhythm to your musical expressions, then yes, this set checks all the boxes. They're fun, functional, and designed with both the performer and the enthusiast in mind. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're ready to liven up your music with a rhythmic twist of Spanish tradition, the Fiada castanets are ready to join your ensemble. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the instruments and gear that keep your passion playing. See you in the next one.